Now, as per the language, if you'll go, so this question looks difficult. This question looks tough. But if you will start solving this question, proceed step by step, then it is actually a very simple question. Okay. Now, question says that when I bought few tables and chairs, so I'll assume the variables for number of tables and chairs. I'll assume the variable for cost of chair, and I'll get the value of the cost of table. Okay, so let's start doing this. So first step is I'll assume the number of tables as T and the number of chairs as C. The cost of table is 400 more than the cost of chair. So if I'll assume the cost of chair as X, then the cost of table will be X plus 400. Okay. So the total money spent by Vinay will be number of tables multiplied by the cost of each table plus the number of chairs multiplied by the cost of each chair, right? This is the first scenario. Now, secondly, they are saying that if he had bought twice the number of chairs, so if the number of chairs is twice, that means 2C, then he could have bought 8 less number of tables using the same amount. So the number of tables that he will buy now will be T minus 8. The price is same. So for tables, T minus 8 tables now, so multiplied by X plus 400 plus the number of chairs is 2C, which is multiplied by X. Okay. So in the second scenario, if he's buying twice the number of chairs, then the number of tables will be reduced by 8 and the amount spent will be same. I'll equate them. Okay. Now let's open the brackets on both sides and simplify this equation. So Tx plus 400T plus Cx is equal to Tx plus 400T minus 8x minus 3200 plus 2Cx. So Tx and 400T will get cancelled from both sides. Cx will go and merge with 2Cx and it will become Cx minus 8x is equal to 3200. So from here I can get the value of x as 3200 divided by C minus 8. Now what is C? C is the number of chairs. So number of chairs has to be an integer, one thing. All right. What is X? X is the cost of chair and it has to be a positive number. Okay. Now we have to maximize the cost of table, maximize the value of X plus 400. To maximize the value of X plus 400, I have to maximize the value of X. In this expression, if I want to maximize the value of X, I have to minimize the denominator on the right hand side. So I have to minimize the value of C minus 8, right? And the value of C has to be greater than 8, then only the value of X will be positive. Okay. So C minus 8 should be greater than 8, right? Or C should be greater than 8. C minus 8 positive hona chahiye. So C should be greater than 8. So the minimum value of C that is greater than 8 will be equal to 9. So the value of C will be equal to 9 and that will give you the maximum value of X as 3200. If X is 3200, then X plus 400 will be equal to 3600 and that will be the maximum possible cost of a table. And the correct answer is option B. All right. So simple question tha. You don't have to do much in this question. Let's move on to next question, question number 15.